Hello. Hello. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the comparison of current and voltages for star connection, and this is the delta connection, whatever we have discussed in the previous class. So some advantages of polyphase circuits are steady power. Power is steady, less wear and tear. So this one, whatever I was explaining in the morning class. So all the houses are connected, required for the single phase data. Means two conductors are required for every load. So instead of अभी कंडक्टर को कहाँ से आया सप्लाई, पोल से आया, पोल को कहाँ से आया, वो ट्रांसफार्मर से आया, वो ट्रांसफार्मर एरिया ट्रांसफार्मर को सप्लाई कहाँ से आए, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम से आए. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मीन्स नियरर सबस्टेशन. सबस्टेशन कहाँ से आए, वो कौन सा भी एक another city or village wherever we are going to call that one as substation. Again, once again, substation, that is another substation. So to that substation, how we got it, is it got from the transmission system. So from the transmission system, they got from the generation system. Generation means somewhere they are generating, but we are using here. So surrounding, is there any power plant in the Solapur district? Thermal power plant है क्या? Power generation plant is there? No. All of you see know Aurangabad? Aurangabad मालूम है? Just I'm telling
Yes, sir.
example.
Yes, sir.
औरंगाबाद
Yes,
पाइटन
sir.
डैम बोल के है, उधर हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट है एक. ओके. सो आपका घर को दो लाइन चाहिए बोल के औरंगाबाद से इधर तक दो ही लाइन लाने का, एक लाइन लाने का और एक रिटर्न पाथ प्रोवाइड करने का, उसको कितना कॉस्ट होते. और एट ए टाइम 3 लाइन्स लेके आना कितना कॉस्ट होते हैं. 3 लाइन्स ओनली वन टाइम वी हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट वन. फॉर हर एक घर को उधर से सप्लाई लाने, उधर से सप्लाई लाने का और रिटर्न देने का, दैट इज, so that is difficult. For that reason only they have mentioned here now, instead of two conductors go and return, एक आने का एक रिटर्न भेजने का है. So three phase supply can transmit 3 times here now. Only one time three phase, it will 3 times it is going to supply here. The power by using only one extra conductor, only one extra conductor, that too in our area only we are creating the fourth line, that is called what, neutral line. By using a transformer in the ground, by connecting that one, they are creating the return path here now. So that is the major advantage of the polyphase or three phase circuits, we are going to call that one here. So we have some problems. All of you have note down the formulas. All the formulas are already with you peoples. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
take the calculator. Calculator is important. It is required here. And take the problem 1. Example 1 you take down. A balanced star connected load of, a balanced star connected load of 8 plus j6, 8 plus j6 it is now, 8 plus j6 per phase, per phase. A balanced star connected load of 8 plus j6 per phase is connected to a, is connected to a, is connected to a balanced three phase, balanced three phase, balanced three phase 400 volt supply, 400 volt supply, 400 volt supply. Find, find the line current, find the line current, comma, power factor, and total volt ampere. Total volt ampere is nothing but power, and power or total volt ampere. Full point. Once you read the question carefully, all of you read the question carefully and write the given data first. I want to know that one what given data you are writing here now. Then only I will start the explanation. Written, anyone?
Yes, sir.
What are the given data you have written? You tell me. What is this one? 8 plus J6 means what it is? Mathematics, all of you over complex form.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complex form हो गए ना? So
Yes, sir.
in the electrical system, it is nothing but this one. We can write Z equal to R plus Jx. We are going to write. Actually, R plus Jx we are going to write here now. This is now Jx. So from this, according to comparing with this formula, we can write 8 is the R.
Yes, sir.
R
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 8 and X equal to
6.
Six.
X equal to 6 here now. So you find the Z value now. By using this one, find the Z value. What they have you have identified? First you have to identify Z identify करने का है ना? Z equal to square root of R square plus
R square. X
X
square.
square.
R square plus X square. Identify the Z value
10.
10. Okay. Next. Z value होने के बाद what is the question here now? What they have asked? You have to calculate the line current here now. Okay. But this Z is given for the three phase total impedance or only one phase impedance it is. Connected load of 8 plus
1.
J6 per phase they have given
Per.
here now. Okay. Per phase they have given.
Yes.
But what is this voltage? This is VL or VPH? 400 volt.
VPH.
This one.
VL.
It is a to a balanced system. 3-phase 400 volt supply. 3-phase mention किया ना इधर.
Yes, sir.
3-phase 400 volt is nothing but this is a supply line voltage. It is nothing but VL equal to 400 volt they have given. So what you have to do? First, you have to calculate the I page here now. So this is the line voltage, but the Z is given for the per phase they have given. So you find the from VPH you identify VPH, and to calculate the IL first you have to identify IPH. IPH identify करने का. IPH equal to according to Ohm's law what?
VPH upon R.
VPH upon
R.
R.
Root 3.
So it is a 3-phase supply. It is a combination of RLC in the form of Z they have given. So we have to use Z
Z.
here directly. Z phase it is also per phase they have given here now. So IL I phase मिल गए. I phase के बाद IL का find it करने का इसको. This is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. According to the triangle, cos phi equal to what we can write? Impedance triangle. Cos phi equal to
R by Z.
R by Z here now. R
Z.
is given, Z you have identified. So R by Z you can calculate here now. Line current is over, power factor is current over. And if the power factor you know that one, later you can calculate P, you can calculate Q, you can calculate, and you can calculate the S value. Actually they have asked only S only, but you have to calculate this P, Q, S. Start doing that one. Z all of you have calculated. Z phase equal to how much you got?
10.
10. Okay, I will write 10 ohm here now. Next, calculate VPH. VPH equal to what?
VL by root.
Root 3.
VL by root 3. Calculate it. How much you got? You tell me.
231.
231 volt.
230.9.
231 volt use karo directly. 231 volt. Next, you identify IPH. 231 divided by 10.
23.1.
23.1 because VPH we have identified and Z phase they have given, means that is also in the form of complex form they have given. We have identified that one. So IPH equal to VPH by ZPH. Next, IL equal to
IPH.
IL equal to IPH by root 3 or IPH?
IPH.
Hi,
IPH.
it is a star
Star
connected
connection.
load. So IL equal to IPH equal to this is 23.1 only. 23.1 only. So next what you have to do? Calculate cos phi and power you calculate it and tell the answer.
Point 0.8 cos phi.
Yes, sir. 0.8.
Cos phi equal to 0.8. Just a minute. Okay, 0.8 lagging or leading?
लैगिंग
उधर लिखा है बोल के बोल रहा है क्या? कैसे लैगिंग है बोल के कैसे मालूम हो गई तुमको? ठीक है, रहने दो अभी. So we have already discussed that is inductive type load only while they are doing the derivation itself. Next what is power factor हो गए, total volt ampere. Calculate
7,392.
7,392 IL IPH हो गया ना, ठीक. So you have to calculate volt ampere, yes, and watt. If they have asked power consumed means you have to consider watt. They have asked volt ampere means yes, you have to calculate here. How you got different answer this one?
√3 रह लो.
किधर रह गए? Actually here we have
Yes,
used,
sir. 1280. 1280. √3 multiplication रह लो.
then that is the important thing na. √3 VL IL cos pi equal to, that is √3 we keep as it is, 400 VL equal to 400, IL equal to 230.1 into 0.8, 12,800.
80.
So next S equal to, this one here also I have done mistake. Instead of 400,
√3 VL
√3 VL
IL.
हाँ, calculate करो किती होते बघा.
$1,604.
1,600,004.
1,600,004. Okay, 1,600 we can write approximately. Not approximately, 1,600,004 only we write on. You can write 1,600,004. We can tell that one here. No, volt ampere. Actually, the question was 1,600. हाँ बोलो ना.
आंसर 16004 आता है सर, मतलब
16004 है क्या? ठीक है.
16004. यस सर, वो 4 मिस नहीं कर.
Okay, 16004 volt ampere. We can write like this, no
Yes, sir.
problem. Whatever it may be, as it is, whatever the answer we are going to get, as it is, we have to write down here now. So this is P and this is yes. According to the problem, they have given total volt ampere. Volt ampere means which is the unit volt ampere? This one. Yes. The yes is the volt ampere. And what is the active power unit? Active power unit is what?
Watt.
Watt here now. So this is the method I have told you people. Just it is the complex form. In any form they can give this one. In the phasor representation also they can give in the form of 400. Angles also sometime they are going to give 400 minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree is the phase angle like that here now. So different forms they can give here. First you have to read the question carefully. Then you have to write the given data. So here only you have to, while writing the given data, you have to be careful. Because here Z they have given per phase. Z is 8 plus J6 per phase they have given is nothing but ZPH, it is nothing but ZPH, and 3 phase 400 supply they have given. 3 phase they have used means that is the line voltage you have to assume here now. Line voltage. So from this equation, R plus JX, it is looks like R plus JX. It may be XC or XL, whatever it may be. I will use directly the JX only. X is the total reactance, net reactance, XL minus XC or XC minus XL, whatever it may be. So X is 8, 6 and R is 8. So we know the formula Z equal to Z phase equal to square root of R phase plus XPH square. By doing this one, 10 ohm, the magnitude of the Z will get that one. And this line voltage also you convert into phase voltage, because Z phase they have given. To calculate the I phase here, I phase equal to V phase divided by Z phase we have to use here, and the formula, sorry, answer will get 23.1. For the star connection, IL equal to I phase is there, so both the currents are same here now. So this phase current 23.1 is equal to the 23.1 of line current also. Once it is over, we have to use the single phase formula only use कर रहे हैं हम इधर, है ना? Cos phi equal
Yes,
to R
sir.
phase divided by Z phase. So all the units are This AC units are related one to another here now. So we can calculate like this here. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. I will not tell anything. You solve the next problem. Only one problem is there. You solve it and tell the answer to me. Three-phase impedances. Three-phase impedances. Three-phase impedances, comma, three-phase impedances, comma, each of 3 ohm resistance, each of 3 ohm resistance and 4 ohm inductive reactance and 4 ohm inductive reactance, 4 ohm inductive reactance in series are connected are connected are connected in star in star in star in star across 400 volt AC supply, across 400 volt AC supply, AC supply. Find first one phase impedance, second one power factor, third one phase current, fourth one line current, fifth one real power, reactive power and apparent power, ऐसा बोल के लिखो, real power, reactive power and apparent power. So read the question carefully and start to solve it. Hello. Anyone have solved the problem?
Yes, sir.
Other people?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first, what you have to write? You have to write the given data here now. What given data you have written? You tell me.
R is equal to
R
3
is-
ohm.
Mhm.
X is equal to 4.
X is equal to 4.
P is equal to 40. 400, sir.
X equal to 400.
4,
No,
sir.
sir. X is
4.
equal to 4. VL is equal to
VL
400.
is equal to 400.
Okay. Okay, correct. R equal to 3 ohm, X equal to 4 ohm, VL equal to 400. Okay. Next, what you have calculated?
Z.
Z
Z, Z equal to how much you got?
5 ohm.
5.
5 ohm.
Z equal to 5 ohm. So VL equal to 400, R phase equal to 300, X phase equal to 4. Sorry, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. Okay. From this one, have you calculated V page? V page calculation किए क्या?
Yes, sir.
कितना है? 230 वोल्ट है?
Yes, sir.
230 or 231? V phase equal to how much? 400 divided by root 3. अरे कोई भी रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे ना. V phase कैलकुलेशन किए क्या नहीं?
230.9 means 231.
230.9 है क्या?
230.94.
Okay. 230.94. Okay, ठीक है. 230.94. No problem. So next, what you have to calculate? Z impedance you have to calculate. To calculate the Z impedance equal to RPH square plus XPH square. So it is 5 ohm. All of you got 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once the Z phase is calculated and V phase is calculated, so I phase equal to V phase divided by Z phase.
Z phase
So 230 divided by
45.
5.
46, sir.
कितना थे?
46.
कौन सा है?
46 is the right
IPH.
page.
Yes, sir. 46.
IPH equal to 46 आ रहा है?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
एक
Yes, sir.
मिनट.
230 divided by 5, 46, sir.
Z phase equal to 230 divided by 5. Okay,
5
okay, 46. Correct. 46 नहीं है. ये 46 है ना?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, 46 ampere it is now. I phase equal to 46. If I phase is 46, then IL equal to
46.
IL equal to IPH. So it is also 46 only. It is
46.
also 46 ampere only. Next, what is the question next? Line impedance is over, IPH is over, IL is over. So power factor
Power
cos
factor
cos phi equal to
RPH upon
R.
ZPH.
ZP
R
upon Z.
Upon Z.
or upon Z is nothing but how much?
3 by 5.
0.6.
0.6.
0.6.
0.6 आ गए. Okay, 0.6.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
you calculate the power here now. This power is wrong because I use a 36 here. Obviously, it will get different, I think. What is the power? Active power?
19,121.
0.8.
19 point. बराबर है क्या?
0.9, sir.
46 into 0.6. 19,121 is nothing but 19.12, correct है? 19.12 all of you got. कुछ different है क्या?
Sir, point नहीं.
हाँ 19.12 आया क्या? नहीं, any different answer?
19,121, sir.
The point नहीं
19.
है.
हाँ, that is the important thing you have to observe here.
121.8, sir.
121.8, 19, 128, 121.8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So listen carefully. That is what 19, 121.8. What is the unit of that one?
Kilowatt.
Kilowatt. Whatever 19, 121.8 is there, that is watt only. That is watt. Here I have written here kilowatt. 1, 2,
Watt,
3
watt, sir.
is nothing but 19.12 kilowatt. You can write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same we have written. So that is also you have to observe kilowatt, watt. You have to observe here now. You have to observe here. Okay. For the same problem, I am telling you people, same problem you take down. You take down same problem, but instead of star connection, you consider as delta connection here. Instead of star, you consider delta and calculate it. Same problem you write down. Same problem you write down. Here, instead of star is there. Star hai na idhar. Connected. Where it is this? This not this one. ये नहीं है, एक मिनट. This one. Series are connected in star connection है ना. This one I will write as delta connection here now. I will write as delta connection. Listen, आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Three-phase impedances of each 3 ohm resistance and 4 ohm inductive reactance. In you consider this one in series are connected. ऐसा मत लिखो. Reactance are connected. This one are connected in delta. Are connected in delta across 400 volt. Across 400 volt AC supply. Find phase impedance, power factor, I phase, IL, and total power consumed is nothing but P equal to P. You will write down here. Calculate this one. Same है. Z में कुछ change हो जाएगा क्या? Is there anything
No,
change
sir.
in the Z? Z is
No,
same.
sir.
If Z is same, power
Cos
factor is
phi.
also same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Z is same, then power factor is also same. Directly calculate I page.
Sir, I take 26.55.
I phase equal to
80.
80 or 26 something.
80, sir.
80.
What is V phase?
400.
Because for
400.
the delta connection, VL equal to V phase. Remember that one. Someone has boy side. Someone you told the answer. That is VL equal to V phase here now. So I phase equal to this 400 divided by impedance kitna hai? 5. 400 divided by 5 is 80. Correct. Z equal to how much you got?
5.
5 ohm. Okay. And पावर फैक्टर कितना है? cos phi इक्वल टू
0.6.
cos phi इक्वल टू 0.6. Lagging or leading?
Lagging.
Because inductive they have mentioned here now. Okay. Next, V phase equal to 400 only direct. V phase equal to VL equal to 400. Okay. So I phase equal to
P phase upon Z.
V phase upon
Z.
Z.
Z phase also. This is also I will write as Z phase only. Then understand Z phase equal to how much you got? 80.
80.
Okay.
80.
Now you calculate IL.
It-
IL equal to I phase equal to,
3. Root 3 into IPH.
because it is a delta connection. So here for the delta connection, IL equal to not I phase, IL equal to root 3 into I phase here now.
I phase.
How much you got to tell me?
138.56.
138.56.
56.
138.56.
Okay, 56. This is the line current. Change हो गया ना अभी, line current is different than phase currents for the delta connection here now. So calculate directly. P calculation करो. P equal to 3 VL IL cos phi. Sorry, root 3 na? Root 3
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
VL IL VL IL cos phi. Calculate.
57598.3.
57
5.
570.5 kilowatt. I can write down 57 kilowatt.
0.59.
Okay, find 59 kilowatt. No problem here now. 57.59 kilowatt. Can write down here now. So this is, so first problem also you can calculate by using the same data for the different means delta connection also we can calculate that one here now. So this is the formulas. Easy है ना calculation करने का?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So these are the problems we have calculated. Next, little bit I will explain about this. Some things are left here now. So three-phase system we are studying here. Three-phase, three-wire system we are going to consider. Okay. See, this is the supply side. Supply means transformer रहते. Either load side. So here, both the side I will consider. I will consider here both the sides. See here, this part I will make here one part here now. Whatever the star connection is there, this is the supply side here now. So three phase, three wire star connections input है इसको. Supply is there.
Yes, sir.
Three phase, three wire. What is the output?
Yes.
If it is connected in star, we are not taking the neutral line. We are not taking the neutral line, but we are taking 1, 2, and 3 here. 3 lines we are taking outside here now. So three phase, three wire system only we are going to call. Now 1, 2, 3 wires only are there. Yes. Three phase,
Yes, sir.
three wire system we are going to call this one here now. For the star also. Next, similarly for the delta here, three phase, three wire system is. This is also how many phases are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many lines wires are there? 1, 2, 3. For each phase, one wire is there. So three phase, three wire system we are going to call that one here now. Or sometime what they will call three phase, four wire system they are going to call that one here now. What is the four wire? In the load side it will vary here now. At the supply side it is there three phase, three wire only. Three phase is there. So this is the supply here now. So here also four wire. Whatever the neutral line is there, neutral line hai na, neutral line we are going to take extra here now. all phase 1, 2, 3, R, Y, B. 3 phases, 3 lines we have taken outside.
Yes, sir.
But one more line extra we have taken, that is neutral line, to provide to the single phase supply. To provide to the single phase supply, this system we are going to call as 3 phase 4 wire system. We are going to call this one here. How many phases are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 phases are there. 1,
Yes,
2,
sir.
3. But wires are there. How many wires are there?
4.
4 wires are there. So to provide the single phase supply in between R, for R load, R and neutral, we can connect, that is load 1 here. Suppose I want the supply from Y load. So then Y load is this one. So Y load across the neutral, I can connect the supply. So it will get the single phase supply here. Suppose I want to connect to the load to the B load. So B to neutral, I have to connect one load, that is third load here. 3 phases, 4 wire system, we are going to call this one here. 3 phase, 4 wire system. This part is 3 phase, 4 wire system. We are going to call this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So actually, if the offline exams was there, this was the important question, fixed question for 2 marks or whatever it may be, 3 marks. They may ask here now. This one, 3 phase, 4 wire system. Every time they have asked. So this is also important, just for your knowledge. We have explained here now. So it completes the your complete 4th unit. It is going to complete here now. 4th unit is over now. So Monday onwards, we'll start the 5th unit. Almost theory part is there. So don't miss the classes. No dictation is there. Just for explanation. Only in the last unit. Nothing but 8th unit was very interesting. That is binary, decimal, hexadecimal numbers will come. In that place, some problems will come, Boolean algebra and all the things that we'll discuss on that. After that, there is no problems. In the 6th unit, some problems may come, but that is also derivative part. 5 and 6, some already you have studied the diode and all the things. Yes, semiconductor diode.
Yes,
The
sir.
12th standard only. That same thing is there in the 5th unit. That is semiconductor diode is the unit name, 5th unit only. So doping, valence, covalence, bonding, and all the things we are going to discuss in the 5th unit. And 6th unit, that is BJT, bipolar junction transistor, we are going to call. So that one, 5th unit will start on Monday. So we'll stop here only. So the 4th assignment questions, we'll do that one. 3rd assignment, up to 3rd assignment I have given. Okay, polyphase circuit, here it will comes. How many questions are there? 40 questions are there, 44 questions are there. So here 25 questions you write down. Any 25 questions you write here now. First 25 questions, and while giving the answer, see here in this assignment booklet also some wrong answers are there. You have we have experienced in ISC 1, I think. Sorry, UT or ISC?
ISC.
ISC already we have experienced about that one. So while doing this one, you have to cross verify and give the answer. Remember that thing. Out of 44 questions, any 25 questions, you solve it and submit the assignment. 4th assignment also you submit it now. Okay, after Monday you submit it, then it will become easy. And Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, within that one, I will take chapter test 3 on 3rd chapter. 3rd chapter के ऊपर एक टेस्ट लेने वाला हूँ एक दिन, और 4th चैप्टर के ऊपर एक टेस्ट. हर एक चैप्टर को एक चैप्टर टेस्ट लेना है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Be ready. Anyhow, after 4:45 you don't have any load. So after 4:45, I will put the link directly in the Telegram group. You have to submit the chapter test. It may be Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. Next week I am going to take these 2 chapter test. Okay, we'll stop here only.